Hello and welcome to the weather update. It is the 10th of August, and we had a rather partly sunny day, I guess you could say partly sunny, and cooler and a little less humid. Um, you could see all this rain, and there's actually been some flooding around Washington, D.C. For a lot of flooding because these storms are just kind of not moving very much. And we'll look at this on the radar right now as well, show you what's going on. And you will see here, you can see some heavy rain here. And there's been some heavy rain sitting over Washington, D.C. too. And this is all associated with like a low along a stall front that we may have, hopefully maybe bring some rain our way. So if we look at the Weather Prediction Center here, forecast here, you can see there's the stall front. There are the lows along it that are riding along it. And there's a couple of second cold fronts that will be coming through and sweeping all this out. All right. So let's go take a look at what we've got going on outside right now. Temperatures are in the mid-70s today. Not as bad today, but you see the dew points are still around 70 degrees on Long Island, and it's still kind of in the little higher in New Jersey, low, maybe like mid-70s there. Everybody's pretty much in the mid-70s tonight, though, with that onshore flow. Luckily, at least we're not dealing with the heat that we were dealing with yesterday. Looking at the high temperatures across Long Island today, generally mid-80s across the area. In Jersey, upper 80s, so a little bit warmer. Along the coast, they still had some mid-80s. North Jersey still got close to 90, though. Actually, cooler in southern Jersey. Sometimes, like I said, you will get a breeze on the Jersey Shore. And actually, one of my viewers pointed out that there's been a lot of upwelling on the Jersey Shore, which is actually causing the ocean waters to be colder. So let's go and look at the models. All right, and you'll see here, looking at the models, so you see that low there riding along south. High builds in, starts building in tomorrow, later part of tomorrow, then Friday. You can see that the front gets a little hung up offshore, but the high should bring us some nice weather for the weekend. Shouldn't have any issues. So let's go to the HRRR right now, 0Z run of the HRRR, and we'll see what it does here with these showers. So you can see some showers and thunderstorms over New Jersey, and some of those may move over Long Island them overnight, and you can see some of them flood, but it's not a whole lot of rain. That's disappointing. Maybe Jersey will wind up getting a little more than we will, but other than that, it's kind of disappointing. And for some reason, the HRRR has another round of showers Friday morning with another front coming through, so maybe that would bring us a little more rain, maybe another chance of some showers and thunderstorms with some more rain. Total accumulated precip, this is not impressive at all. Now it's struggling to even give us a half an inch. So this is not good. We remain in a drought because of this. We really thought we would get some more rain, but that does not look like it's going to happen. Once again, getting disappointed once again with the amount of rain. We can look at some of the other models. NAM as well. This is the NAM. Well, it only goes out to 15Z Thursday because it's the 0Z run. But if I take this back a little further, maybe the NAM's a little better, but not by much. It may give a half an inch to a 3/4 of an inch. It may be something at least, but it's not going to be enough to end this drought for sure. We can look at the NAM on this as well, so you can see the activity. See, it's mostly to the south. It looks like it does blow it out over the South Shore into tomorrow morning. Hopefully, some of that will get over Suffolk County. And then there's some more intense thunderstorms that develop in the afternoon, it looks like, South Jersey. And then as far as after that, it does seem to want to generate something for some reason on Friday afternoon over New Jersey as well, with some possible showers and thunderstorms. It seems like it wants to stall that low out. This is the NAM. This is the NAM model that wants to do that. I don't know if I'm buying that. So let's go back to the HRRR now. You get the idea of. We do have chances for showers and thunderstorms, but it's just not widespread. It's going to probably be more of a scattered thing. We need a solid line that's going to move through. So let's go look at the dew points and wind flow now on the HRRR, and you'll see we're still going to be dealing with some humidity to start. And then you see the dew points start coming down a little bit tomorrow. A little of that drier air tries to get in northern parts, western parts of Long Island there, trying to get more of a northwest wind there. But then that sea breeze comes in and kind of brings the moisture back. And then Friday, it starts getting pushed down a little bit. You can still see it wants to hold on to a little moisture at the coast with more of an onshore flow. This is, again, the HRRR model that's doing that. Looking at the temperatures, I don't know if I'm buying that either. Looking at the temperatures tomorrow, similar to today, maybe near 90 in northern Jersey. Then it drops with an onshore flow in the afternoon. According to the HRRR, Friday would be cooler because the HRRR wants to keep some more clouds around and possibly some showers, as you know. Whether I'm buying that or not is another story. I don't know if I really am. So let's go look at the GFS next on the dew points and wind flow. This is the GFS, which makes more sense to me at least. You'll see, again, it does get pushed out Friday. The drier air comes in, north to northeast winds come in, dew points drop into the 40s, 50s, and then dew points on Saturday in the 40s with a north to northeast wind. So this will keep it cool across the area. Keep the dew points low. But if you're in Jersey, because the wind's coming in off the water, you might deal with a little more moisture because of that northeast wind. And as we head into Sunday, the winds do come a little onshore, but you see it pretty much stays all offshore, and we're dealing with low dew points, so it should be comfortable. Yeah, this is, again, hopefully those other models are just wrong. It just doesn't make sense to me that they're so. GFS agrees with the HRRR temperatures, but with more sunshine on Friday, it will be in the low 80s. And then Saturday, we will be in the around 80 degrees. And then for Sunday, maybe getting a little warmer, low to mid 80s. So let's go look at the skies. And I guess we'll go. That's going to be a lot of disagreement for that because the models are all over the place. So tomorrow, we'll start off with clouds and then some more clearing skies maybe toward later in the afternoon. Friday starting off with clouds, then clearing out from west to east on Friday. Could be mostly sunny day in Jersey if it winds up being like that. Saturday, we're all in the clear, and Sunday we'll have increasing high clouds. Again, that is the GFS. However, a lot of some of the models have differences. Here's the RGEM for tomorrow, and you'll see tomorrow it clears it out more toward later in the afternoon. Friday, RGEM holds on to a lot more clouds. And it wants to keep the clouds over Long Island, but have Jersey being clearer. Eventually does clear it more toward the afternoon. So there's little differences with the models and little idiosyncrasies, but I still think this front gets offshore. I still think we're going to have beautiful weather Friday into Saturday. Saturday's probably the pick of the week, probably best skies out there. Yeah, very interesting. But unfortunately, like I said, it does not look like we're going to see a whole lot of rain, unfortunately. Let me go, and lastly, we'll check, and I don't think we're going to have a severe threat, but I will check anyway with the Storm Prediction Center and see what they have. Yeah, there's no severe threat for tomorrow. So that's going to wrap up this weather update. Have a good night.